chemistry classes. Today we are just going to study about the isomerism in coordination compounds. As far as the isomerism is concerned, this is the phenomenon by which we must know about the isomers, that they are having their molecular formula same but different in their structures, different in their bonds. They may have difference in their physical properties as well as chemical properties. The isomerism in coordination compound is of two types. First is structural isomerism and second is stereoisomerism. So structural isomerism is again of four types. First is linkage isomerism. Second is coordination isomerism. Third is solvate isomerism. Fourth isomerism is ionization isomerism. Now we are just going to study about the stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is again of two types. Stereoisomerism is again of two types. First is geometrical isomerism. And second is optical isomerism. So as for one important kind of thing we also want to tell you regarding the stereoisomerism. The stereoisomers have their chemical formula and chemical properties same, but they have different spatial arrangement in space. That is why this kind of isomerism is known as stereoisomerism. Now we are just going to study about the linkage isomerism first. So as far as the linkage isomerism is concerned, in the linkage isomers, in the coordination entity, one of the ligand ion or ligand species is a bidentate ligand only. So the example of this is CONH3 NO2 Br2 और इसका आइसोमर हो जाएगा CONH3 Br2 Br2SO4. So as far as this just a minute. CONH3 O and double bond O और Br2. तो इस आइसोमर्स में हम क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट जो आइसोमर है CONH3 में नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ नाइट्रो ग्रुप is making the linkage with the cobalt ion, but in the second one oxygen atom of nitro group is making a linkage with the cobalt ion. So that is why the name of this isomer is pentaamine nitrito and cobalt third bromide. Pentaamine nitrito and cobalt third bromide. और इसका क्या नेम होगा? पेंटामीन Second type of isomerism is coordination isomerism. और coordination isomerism में बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान देना बच्चों कि coordination isomerism. In coordination isomerism, there is an exchange between the ligands from coordination entity to ionization sphere and ionization sphere to coordination. So between two different coordination entities, the exchange of ligand take place. As a result of it, coordination isomerism will arise. For example, we are having CO NH36 plus 3 CR CN6 minus 3. अब इसमें NH3 जो है CR के पास चला जाएगा, CN जो है CO के पास आ जाएगा. तो वी कैन टेक CR plus 3 CO CN6 minus 3. The example, the IPSC name of this one is hexaamine. First is hexaamine, cobalt third, hexacyano chromate थर्ड. और इसका आईपीएससी नेम हो जाएगा हेक्साएमीन coordination isomerism. In coordination isomerism, just a minute, wait. In coordination isomerism, there is a exchange of ligands between the cationic and anionic entities of the coordination compound only. We are just having the examples of coordination isomerism as CO NH36 plus 3 CR CN6 minus 3, and the coordination isomer of this compound is CR NH36 plus 3 CO CN6 minus 3. The name of this coordination entity is written as, this one is hexaamine cobalt third hexacyano chromate third. और second isomer is hexaamine chromium third hexacyano cobaltate third. In this way, we will just be giving the IPSC name of these two compounds only, and the very important kind of thing we just have to want to tell you about there is the exchange of ligands between both the cationic and anionic coordination entities. I think so this is clear to all of you. Now we are just going to study about the next isomerism, that is known as ionization isomerism. Before studying about the ionization isomerism, we are also taking one of the examples, PT NH34 PtCl4 minus 2 PtNH34 plus 2. So first of all, we are just giving the nomenclature of these compounds only. So tetraamine platinum 2 tetrachlorido platinate second. नाउ इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन आइसोमर होगा, उसके स्ट्रक्चर इस प्रकार से बताएंगे. PT NH3 होल थ्राइस Cl, एक जो Cl है वो दूसरे एनायनिक एंटाइटी से, एनायनिक कोऑर्डिनेशन एंटाइटी से जो है कैटायनिक कोऑर्डिनेशन एंटाइटी में एंटर कर जाएगा, और एक इधर से NH3 जो मिडिल स्पीशीज है वो कैटायनिक एंटाइटी से एनायनिक एंटाइटी में एंटर हो जाएगा, जिससे कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा इस तरह से PTNH3 Cl3। इसका नेम हो जाएगा ट्राईएमीन क्लोरिडो प्लेटिनम 2 एमीन ट्राइक्लोरिडो प्लेटिनेट second. In this way we will just be doing the nomenclature of this kind of compound. So in this compound, in this isomerism you are also observing that one of the NH3 ligand is going into the anionic entity, and one of the fluoride is moving from anionic entity to cationic entity only. So I think so it is clear to all of you. Now one of the important kind of question we just want to ask from you, what is ionization isomerism? जिन बच्चों को इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आता है वो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट अपनी पुट कर दे ताकि हम उसको देख सकें। Now we are just going to study about the ionization isomerism. In ionization isomerism there is the exchange of ligand between the coordination entity through the ionization sphere and from ionization sphere to coordination entity. For example, we are taking the example of CONH3,4SO4, and very important kind of thing we also want to tell you regarding the ionization isomers कि these ionization isomers will differ in their chemical properties with respect to each other. They will be reacting with other different kind of reagents, so that the result will be obtained different regarding the difference in their physical properties only. We are taking the example of PTNH3 Cl2 PTNH3,4SO4Br और इसका आयनाइजेशन आइसोमर होगा PTNH3,4Br NH3,5Br NH3,4BrSO4. We are just having the example of PTNH3,4SO4Br, PTNH3,4BrSO4. But the name of this entity is tetraamine sulfato platinum 2. Platinum 4. Tetraamine sulfato platinum 4. और इसको हो जाएगा टेट्राएमीन डाइब्रोमिडो सल्फेट डाइब्रोमिडो प्लेटिनम 4 ब्रोमाइड। और यहाँ टेट्राएमीन डाइब्रोमिडो प्लेटिनम 4 sulfate. In both of these ionization isomers, we are observing that when PTNH3,4SO4Br2 is reacted with HeNO3, it will give the precipitate of HBr, On BHBR's yellow precipitate we will be getting. On the other hand, PTNST4 Br2SO4 will not react with AgNO3, but it will react with BaCl2. As a result of it, BaSO4 white precipitate will form. The reaction is given below. PTNH3 SO4 Br2, इसका एक्वस सॉल्यूशन का रिएक्शन कराएंगे हम AgNO3 सॉल्यूशन के साथ. तो 1 mole of PTNH3 Br2 complex will react with 2 moles of AgNO3. As a result of it, PTNH3 SO4 NO3 minus whole twice plus 2 AgBr. AgBr's yellow precipitate you will get, but on the other hand, PTNH3 Br2SO4 will give PTNH3 Br2 SO4 aqueous solution will react with BaCl2 aqueous solution. As a result of it, PTNH3 Br2 Cl2 plus BaSO4 white precipitate. So now I think so it is clear to you. PTNH3 SO4 Br2 will react with AgNO3 2 moles, so it will form PTNH3 SO4 NO3 whole twice plus 2 HBr. HBr का यहाँ पर येलो प्रेसिपिटेट प्राप्त होगा आपको, और टेट्राएमीन डाइब्रोमिडो प्लेटिनम 4 सल्फेट कंपाउंड एक्वस सॉल्यूशन when react with BaCl2 aqueous solution, it will give us PTNH3 Br2 Cl2 plus BaSO4 white precipitate you will get. I think so it is clear to you. So you can about the next isomerism, that is known as solvent isomerism. In solvent isomerism, there is a exchange of H2O ligands from the coordination entirety to the ionization sphere. The H2O may become the part of the ionization sphere. We can have one of the example here, CrH2O6 Cl3, CrH2O6 Cl3. So what kind of important thing we will just be observing here is CrH2O5 H2O6. From this example it is clear that in CrH2O6 Cl3 all the water molecules are of the part of the coordination entirety, but in CrH2O5 H2OCl, in this compound we are observing that one molecule of water is found in the compound as a free molecule of water. That is why this kind of isomerism is known as solvent isomerism. The water which are found in free state, this kind of water are known as crystallization of water molecules. So one of the important kind of thing we just have to observe here is when this kind of compound is reacted with AgNO3, the 3 moles of AgNO3 will react with 1 mole of CrH2O6 Cl3 compound. So it will give us 3 AgCl white precipitate, 3 moles of AgCl precipitate you will get along with CrH2O6 NO3 whole thrice. The name of this compound will be hexaaqua chromium third trinitrate. Nitrate. Hexaaqua chromium third nitrate. Hexaaqua chromium third nitrate. I think so this is clear to you. Now we are just finishing the class, and in the next class we will just be studying about the stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism, as well as optical isomerism. So you should be prepared about these two important kind of topics, so that it may be possible for us to understand the topics whatever being given in your textbooks as well as in your refresher books. Thank you. God bless you.